Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. You guys, vision in here, vision in here. Coming as a 4. Yeah.
Alright, we've got vision.
We've got no telly, eh? Do you have a telly offer?
Yeah.
Where, do you have... Oh, yeah, I'm coming in.
These guys are stuck here. We're just getting
They're going to
squeezed
kill us
here.
all. They're going to kill us all shortly.
We're split. We can't fight.
Yeah, let's go back to mid. Fall back to mid together.
You're gonna do it now.
We can't let him have it.
Alright, alright.
Someone push mid. Someone push mid. One person.
What? Me? What? Who the? Who just did that?
Alright, it looks like the fight's on.
They're all here.
I'm going B.
Don't fight.
Don't fight. Just disengage. Disengage.
We can't. They're engaging on us, bro. Oh, my ulti did so much work.
Oh,
Holy
they got aced! Boys!
Straight
What happened?
There's only 3 of you fucking cunts there.
My ulti just did so much work. It was just like...
One more!
Oh, bro, they're dead for 30 seconds. This Baron's out.